In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe an individual contact from receiving emails in HubSpot. We'll walk through unsubscribing a single contact so your database stays compliant and you only email the people who want to hear from you. This is useful when someone asks to stop receiving marketing emails, or when you want to respect regional privacy regulations. Start by opening your browser. Go to Google and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account with the correct portal. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and hover to reveal sections. Locate CRM. Click CRM, then click Contacts. If you see a top navigation instead of a sidebar, look for Contacts there. Now you're in the Contacts index. Find the person you want to unsubscribe. You can search by name or email or filter. Click their name to open their record. Inside the contact record, locate the Actions menu at the top right of the contact's name. Click Actions, and from the drop-down, choose Opt out of email. HubSpot will show a confirmation dialog explaining that this contact will no longer receive marketing emails from your account. Workflows that send marketing emails will skip them, and your email lists will treat them as unsubscribed. This does not affect transactional emails you're legally allowed to send, but it does block promotional and marketing messages. To proceed, click Yes, opt them out. HubSpot immediately updates their subscription status. You can verify this right on the contact record. Look for properties related to email subscription or communication status, and you should see that they are unsubscribed. It's a good idea to leave a quick note on the timeline, summarizing why the change was made, for example, that they requested to opt out on a certain date. That way, your team has clear context later. A few quick tips to keep everything compliant and clean. Only unsubscribe contacts when you have a clear request or valid reason, and avoid resubscribing someone manually unless they explicitly opt back in. If a contact changes their mind, send them a proper resubscription process through HubSpot rather than toggling properties yourself. Also, remember that this change applies only to this individual contact. If you need to manage bulk preferences, handle that through lists and subscription management pages instead. And that's it. You've navigated to contacts, opened the specific contact, used the Actions menu to opt them out of email, and confirmed the change. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to honor an unsubscribe request in HubSpot.